Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to turn on or off parental control on Roblox. Let's get started. First of all, log into your Roblox account you want to manage. Once logged in, click on the gear icon in the top right corner and select Settings. Next, in the Settings menu, click on Parental Controls. Here, you can see the available parental control settings to manage your child's experience. To turn on parental controls, enable the account restrictions toggle. This limits the account to only age-appropriate games and restricts communication with strangers. To turn off parental controls, simply disable the account restriction toggle. Keep in mind this allows access to all Roblox games and chat features. And that's it. Turning parental control on or off is super easy on Roblox. If this guide helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Roblox tips. Thanks for watching.